You've been told all your life to make choices, to pick one or the other. But what if it doesn't have to be that way? What if there's a place that gives you the power to choose and, not or?
Hey!
At Marist University, you get to choose more. More immersive learning, more time for reflection, more global experiences, more lifelong connections. This is your time to set big goals and take bigger adventures, to do good for yourself and for others, to engage in serious learning and chase serious fun. So go bold and seek more in your community and beyond, because improving the world takes inspiration from more than one major, one location, one experience. Marist University, inspired to do more.